Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of New Discoveries in Astronomy, we will talk about how astronomers discovered a giant galaxy that doesn't appear to spin. So let's get started. How do astronomers learn the history of a galaxy? One of the most important clues is its motion. By studying how stars and gas move inside galaxies, scientists can reconstruct how those systems formed and evolved over time. And recently, the James Webb Space Telescope revealed a galaxy that challenges many of those expectations. Astronomers studying the galaxy XMM VID1 2075 found something surprising. Despite existing less than 2 billion years after the Big Bang, this massive galaxy showed little or no overall rotation. That is unusual because current models predict that young galaxies should be spinning as they form. Galaxies form as gas collapses under gravity. As material falls inward, it develops angular momentum, causing the galaxy to rotate. This process naturally leads to rotational motion when matter collapses into a more compact structure. Because of this, astronomers expect most young galaxies to show organized rotational motion. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers analyzed how stars and gas move within this galaxy. Rather than simply taking an image, they measured the motion of material across different regions of the galaxy. This allowed scientists to determine whether a galaxy is rotating, moving chaotically, or showing other internal patterns. In this case, the observation showed strong random motion, but little evidence of organized rotation. This type of behavior is usually seen in large, mature galaxies much closer to Earth. Those galaxies often stopped rotating after billions of years of collisions and mergers. But XMM VID1 2075 existed very early in cosmic history. This means something must have disrupted its motion far sooner than astronomers expected. One possibility is a dramatic merger between galaxies spinning in opposite directions, which could have canceled out their rotations. This study revealed that massive, non-rotating galaxies may have existed much earlier in the universe than expected. That's the key result. If additional examples are found, astronomers may need to revise current models of how galaxies form and evolve. More broadly, this discovery shows how measuring motion inside galaxies can reveal hidden details about their history. We cannot watch galaxies evolve over billions of years, but by measuring how stars and gas move today, astronomers can reconstruct the events that shaped them long ago. Not by directly observing the past, but by interpreting the motion that remains. So that concludes our discussion on a giant galaxy that doesn't spin. We'll be back again next week for another new discovery in astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.